Hello and welcome back, guys. This is Abdullah Ashraf from Self Engineered, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the front end of our HTML for the Instagram clone app, and we will be building the post itself. So every time we make a new post, how is it going to appear at the HTML? So previously, video, we built the navigation bar. This time, we're going to go and build the actual post where you can see the picture, you can see who posted that picture, and yeah, in the future I'll be adding the like, comments, and all of these good features. So let's just get started, and since I am here, I'm just going to boom. Hi, it's me again. And yeah, let me go back to my Adam, my what's not Adam, Visual Studio. And the previous video, right now we only see this part of the HTML of the front page, and I have my views. For now we only have the post view, and this is where we were working on last time, and we built the CSS of this, right? For now, I am going to actually let me first start by activating the environment. I will activate Insta clone, I believe that's the name of my environment. Then I will just do python manage.py and server. Now I will go to my post list here, and before I do that, I noticed that if when this runs, I will let you know what this is mean. But let me create a new class, and that class is going to be content container, I believe. Uh, Parentheses, and inside of this I'm going to have a background color of hashtag something like this. Yeah, if yeah, it's going to be white. Then I'll come down here and I will have a padding. My padding is going to be mm, it's actually padding top 50 pixels. And what else do I have? I have position absolute, and I will come down here and put my width to 100%. And one more thing, my the top is going to be 35 wait 30 83 pixels. This will all make sense in a while. And I will have my left is 0 pixel. Okay, before I save this, I want to run the the Django app first, and then I'll show you what I mean. As you can see here, some of my HTML, I mean, some of my HTML here is actually hidden underneath the header. Underneath this, I have something written here. So I needed to make this part here like below with some sort of padding. So I need to bring it down. So this is what I mean by what I was doing just now. I will go back and save and then see what has changed. I will refresh this. Sometimes I have to do a hard refresh. with a control C, and maybe that is because of this. Oh, content container with an underscore. Silly me. I always like. I'm just going to copy this. Copy, and I will paste it right here. And this should be a dot. Control S again. Refresh. Come on, yes. Now I brought it down. And this is what I was looking for. Anyways, so let's continue with the code. Why am I showing all of this? Okay, I'm back here. And now I need to focus first on the post list. I need to focus on this part first. Then I'll continue back with the CSS. For now, let's focus on building the card. I will delete those guys. I will be adding them later on. Okay, for now, let me make. I'm going to start by making a div. Yeah, I'm looping through all the posts that I already have, and then inside of that, I will be having uh, all the details of each post inside. So it's like so I don't need to specifically call each post. And here I'm going to make this div, and then I'm going to have a class. I will call it card, and inside of this card class I have a card header, so as a div as well. I have a div with a class card underscore header. Alright, and then what do I have next? Inside of my card header I have a div. I have another div with a. That's where I'm going to put my image. So I'm going to create another div here, and I will call this profile image. Profile image, alright. And my div class for the header has two things. Has the image and the location of each post. Sometime on Instagram you will see like the the username, and then below that you will see location or something like that. And we also have the image. So three stuff we have in our header. Image, we have a username. Sometime we do have a location. We will deal with that. And at the end, the right side, we have like option tab that we can click on and then do some other stuff. Alright, let's see what else do I have here. Uh, Alright, now I'm going to have another. Since now I have the profile photo, and next to the profile photo, I'm going to have the name of the profile, like profile name, username, and then below that we will have the the location. To make things easier, let me just go to Instagram. I keep forgetting to just let you know what I mean. Anyway, hello Dunlock. We have this is the image, and then we want to put the username next to it, and then at the end we do have this. So I call this as the header, and then here is my image, and then down here we'll have the other stuff. It might not look as beautiful as this, but we will do our best. Alright, now I'm going to have another div class. Div with a class called profile, no, post info. And inside of post info I have another div with a class called post name. Why did I call it that? But anyways, post underscore name. Oh, I live next to the highway, so I'm sorry for the noise, guys. And I have another div with a class called post location. And inside each one of these, I'm going to be calling the same thing that I called before earlier. See if you remember. I just now I deleted it. I had something like this, and then inside of here, because I'm looping through the posts here, which I am getting from here, querying the all the objects that I have in the post class, and I'm looping through that. And I set for post in post. So I'm going to call post dot author like that. And what is this coming from again? Let me open my models. It's coming from this guy here, post dot author. Alright, just to give you like from where everything is coming from. And here is the location. Let's just type maybe just hypothetically this post is going to be from New York, because I have not added the location yet here, because I'm thinking to add that as a feature later on. But for now, let's just keep it as this. We will deal with that later on. Now I want to, alright, continue on. What else do I have? Oh yeah, at the end of this post info or info, I have another div down here. It's not down here. It's oh yeah, it is here. What is the class for this? It is going to be um, post options. Options, and inside of here I need to have an icon. It's going to be something like this, so I need an icon. So I go to font awesome.com, then I will look for a good icon that matches that one. So I'm just going to type let me look for options. Oh, what is going on? I need, okay, navigation. Okay, I need something like this. Okay, before I do that, I just give me the free ones. This is what I'm looking for. Yep, it's called Eclipse. All the rest are for the paid version, but we will take the solid one, even though it looks so big. But anyways, I'll copy that, and I will go back here, and I will paste it right here. Alright, on, let's continue. After the eclipse, now I have the image, the actual post image, and for that one, after everything from the post, from the card, it is still inside the card, but it's not inside card header. This is card header, so I'm going to exit out of card header. Now I need to make a div here, and then I will call the class post image, and inside of this, I believe for now, this is how I even started building this app. I was just making sure that everything in the front end actually works. Then I was and then I thought about getting an actual picture. So for now, let me go to my GitHub folder. I'll go here, and where's my GitHub folder? Users, mail, and GitHub. Instagram, oh yeah, Instagram, media. Woo, a lot of pictures that I have here. I just want to copy a picture. Yep, copy this one. Mm, hmm. Should I copy or just link to it directly? I think I should just link to it. Hi Instagram. I'll copy the path for the picture. And now I can get back to my code. And here I'm going to just call. I make an image tag, and then for the source, then I'm going to give it the source for the image that I just got, which is boom here. And I believe my image was called hi underscore wait, hi Instagram dot png. This is capital, I believe. No, it's not capital. It's yeah dot png. Just like that, and I'm going to control S this, and from here I'm going to what else do I need to do? Hmm, let's see if actually all of this is actually changing in the app. Refresh. Okay, Abdullah, New York, and Eclipse. Okay, great. Because it's not going to arrange everything. That's something we need to do because we need to deal with the CSS. But for now, let's just keep going on. The next video will do the CSS part of this. After I do that, now I am going to I need to grab some other icons. I will call them in a while. So here is another div class, and I will call the class for this engagement. Inside of this I will have four icons, and these are these four icons here, one, two, three, and this one, three of them. I need to go and grab them from here. Let me start from now. I will get a heart shape. Usually they call it's either if you put like or heart, then you are going to get it. This is my heart, and copy that in here. I will have each one as an h tag. I mean a tag. I mean sorry, a tag. It's not going to link to anywhere. So and here, and then I'll put Then I will put the, what do you call it, the icon. I will copy this. I will come here and paste, 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 because I want to be 4. Then I will come back here. I will look for another icon, which is the comment icon, please. Free. I like this one. It's the one that looks like my Instagram. I'll copy this one, and then I will replace this guy here with that guy. Now I need to look for share icon. Give me free. Alright, now when it comes to the share one, it's not always, you're not going to get the best. This one I already got. Circle. Anything that looks like a share. One of these. You can feel free to choose any icon that you want. I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, because Instagram, they make their own icons. I will come back here and I will grab this guy. Control V, and at the end, just save. Free version, something that looks like save. Bookmark, yep, that's what I'm looking for. Copy that, go back. You need to come here and delete that. Alright, part of this is done. Now I need to call another this div is done for now. This div. Now I need to, okay, I mean, like, these 4 are together. Now I have another div. Class is going to be likes, just referring to the number of likes in each post, and it's going to be an A tag, because I want the user later to click on it and then they can see the people who like their post, just like how Instagram have it. So, and for now, I am not going to link it to anywhere. Later on we will have that. So hypothetically this post had 345 likes. I will come down. Oh, okay, no problem. And the other stuff that I need to have is the caption. Wait, is there another div? In another div class? Yeah, I believe it is. Everything is in a div class. Everything that I'm making here is going to be in a different div. So just to organize things, I'll call this caption, and then I will come down here and I will have inside an A tag. I will have the username, and for the username I'm going to have it in an h2 tag, and here I'm just going to call because sometimes the user want to write some caption, so they put the username in there and then you type your own caption. I will have this as that thing again here. Then I will call post dot author, like that, just like that. And below that I'm going to have a span tag. span tag, and inside of it is going to be a p tag. Now, why is this a span tag? It's because I want to put the a tag next to the p tag. Alright, I should actually make it all as a p tag, and then I will I will have the just the username inside, and then everything will be down there. We'll see. This is just the beginning. We just want to make everything in one place. After that, we can customize it again. This is going to be a long project, but anyway. After this, inside of this span tag, I'm going to have another p tag here, and this p tag here. Oh, I can put directly my caption here. I will call this post dot caption. Inside of p tag is my inside of span tag. And do I have a class for this? I already put this as the caption class, so I'm done here. Lastly, I'm going because I'm just like this is so easy because you already know the design, you already know how does everything look like. The last thing I'm worried about is this, which is um, time, or how many day the date posted for this post, because this is something we already have and we want to we want to track here. Created date, I already set something for it. I already set like a variable for it here, so I'm just going to make sure that users can see it. Well, now I'm just going to make another div class, and this class is going to be time underscore post date. And down here I'm just going to have, there is a cool feature now in Django, and this is, I spent a really really long time figuring out this, but anyway, I want to share it with you, which is I can call, I'm going to call it like this because I already have it here. So I'm just going to say post dot created date, like just like that, and I need to put a vertical line, or what the vertical slash, you can call it whatever, and then time since, just like that. And once I do this on this side here, I'm just going to say I go. As you can see in Instagram right here, they call it like 1 day ago, or if you post the post like a little bit early, this is all 1 day ago. You see, 11 hours ago, we will get this exact feature by just calling post.created date, and then you put this vertical line, then you call the time since on it, and then you put a go. And this I'm going to later change it to capital letter, just using the CSS, just to be a little bit more fancier. And until here we are actually done for the front end of this app. I believe we have already done everything except maybe the picture. I guess maybe we did not link it correctly. Let me hard refresh, and as you can see, all I have here: username, the location, I have my icon for the things, and I have all the other icons that I need. Username again. Oh, this is for the caption. This is the username inside the caption. This is was here for 4 weeks. How come it's 4 weeks? This is a new app. Oh yeah, 4 weeks. Oh, okay, okay. Because that post we made, because it's going to count from the first time we have actually made the first post, if you remember, starting this series, it was like 4 weeks ago. Oh my god, I've been so late. But anyways, I'm going to be posting more regularly. And yeah, and until here, this is the first, what do you call it? The first post, and then here this is the second post. This is everything about the second post. On the CSS, on the next video, we are going to kind of just move everything in the middle, and then have everything really organized and looks really nice. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this video, and if you like this type of series, please subscribe to the channel and give me your feedback. I would love to know what do you think, and if you find this really helpful, and where I should improve. So I know that my volume was not very clear in the first video, so I got a headphones, so maybe next time I'm going to get a better mic. And yeah, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and you can also share it with your friends who you think that it might be helpful for them. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.